Hello students, today we have learned about the next chapter, morphology of flowering plants. In the previous session we all have know about root system. Today we all have know about shoot system of the plants. Shoot systems. What are the shoot systems of the plants? The shoot systems which are found in the aerial region. Aerial region. It composed of branches, leaves, flowers, fruit, etc. General characters of the fruit, how can you identify it is a stem or not? The main specific features is the stem composed of node and internode. It is a node and the mid region internode. Node and internode. It is the special features of the stem, and those parts which does not compose the node and internode, it is not stems. Okay. The stems are found in the various forms. Number 1, underground stem. Underground stem, and second is aerial stem. Aerial stem. Underground stems, those stems which are found in the soil is known as underground stem. These are as number 1, rhizome, bulb, corm, these are the main underground forms of stems. Rhizome, which are found in the soil and grows horizontally to the soil, earth. Example, ginger, turmeric, these are the rhizome. Bulb, it is also underground stem. It structures like as bulb. In this, the food is stored in the fleshy leaves due to the accumulation of foods at the rounded and bulb-like shapes. Example, onion, corn, it is underground stems. It is a cylindrical forms. Example, colicacia or arvi. Tuber, the underground stems found in different shape and size. The best example of tuber is potato. So these are the underground stem. And next, aerial. Aerial stems These are found in the aerial regions or atmosphere in the plants. It is found in the various forms: runner, sucker, stolon, offset, phylloclade, caldate. Various forms are formed of the stems. Modification of stems. Modification of stems. The stems are mainly modified in two forms. Number one, thorn. Thorns, and second is tendrils. Tendrils. In some plants, the stems are modified into thorn, which protect them. Example: bougainvillea, tendrils, pea, which help in the climbing. These are the two main modifications of the stems. Next, the leaf. What are the leaf? It is the greenish structures of the plants. It found on the shoot systems. It differentiated in the various parts: the petiole, leaf base, lamina. The structures of leaves: the leaf base, petiole, the lamina, midrib, the leaves helps in the making of foods or photosynthesis. The leaves are also modified in the various forms. Some are modified into spine. For example, nagfani, or in cactus, the leaves are modified into spine for the protection of for the conservation of water. It also modified in the other parts. In the insectivorous plants, it's form of pitcher-like structures. Types of leaves: types of leaf. There is two types. Leaves are mainly two types. Number one, simple leaves, and second is compound leaf. Simple leaves, the leaves whose lamina is complete and does not incised in the midrib. That is, as the structures of leaves. Structures of leaves. ओके, ये मिडरिब है, ये लैमिना है. लैमिना जब कंप्लीट फॉर्म में होगा, कहीं से वो इंसाइज नहीं होगा, कटा हुआ नहीं होगा, और वो जो कटिंग होगी मिडरिब तक नहीं होगी, वो क्या कहलाएगी? सिंपल लीव्स. कंपाउंड लीव्स, इफ द लैमिना ऑफ लीव्स आर bisect in two parts, this is known as compound leaf. The whole lamina is bisect into various small leaflets. छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स में डिफरेंशिएट हो गया, कट गया. This is known as compound leaves. Simple leaves are found in the mangoes, guava, and compound leaf is found in amla, babul, etc. Next is phyllotaxy. Phyllotaxy. The arrangements of leaves on the stem. The pattern of arrangement of leaves on a stem is known as phyllotaxy. Phyllotaxy. This found in the various form: alternate form, cross form, opposite forms. This is the alternate form. One leaves are found in the alternate pattern. Alternate pattern. This is known as, and second, cross form, or hold the specific region of the stem forms numbers of leaves. This is known as holds. Holds. Opposite, in this type, the one leaf found the right side and second is found in the left sides. It is known as opposite forms. Opposite forms. Opposite forms. The whole example is the paneer, and opposite the examples of guava. So these are pattern of arrangements of leaves on the stem. The phyllotaxy is known as phyllotaxy. Phyllotaxy, arrangements of leaves on the pattern of arrangements of leaves on the stem is known as phyllotaxy. Today the topic is completed. and the next topic explain in the next time. Okay.